Last but not least in our farm collection, let's make a carrot. Okay, this craft is so simple. It pretty much doesn't get easier than this. We are gonna make a carrot today. Just looking for my scissors. First thing we're gonna do, print the template from the blog. Free template, grab it at the blog, craftinggenie.com. And then I like to put dotted lines on it so that you can cut out the different colors, just corresponds with the colors of the craft. There is a page on the template that's just leaves and just carrots, so that if you like, you can cut out a bunch. Or the other option is you can print the template onto a piece of paper, like the page of all these like carrot tops. You can print it onto, just print it straight on the construction paper, cut it out, and pass it out to the people making the craft. Whether it's kids or residents, whoever is making this lovely carrot. Okay, so look at that. I already have a carrot top cut out. There it is. Ready to go. And then let's just cut out the orange part of the carrot. Golly, this craft is so easy. And of course, you could fold the paper in half and cut out multiple carrots at one time. You could staple a stack of papers together and cut out, oh my gosh, like 6 or 8 carrots at one time. Okay. All right, now I'm just gonna cut out this little picture here because that shows us what we're doing here. So here are all the pieces. Let me make sure that's in the camera. Okay, easy peasy. This has a long like little tab on it. Just add the glue to the tab, pop it on the carrot. There you go, your carrot could be done. You could add your name to it. You could write something. You could put this in a pocket and pull it out. For the website, for the one I made, I did add a few little, I'm looking for my black marker. Here it is. I just added a few little like growth marks on the carrot. And there we go. There is a cute carrot. Thanks for crafting with me today.